Moxie Media presents Hazard Communication Safety Training. Whether you're working in a shipyard, warehouse, chemical plant, or construction site, you are likely dealing with hazardous chemicals. It's essential that all workers, employees, contractors, and temps know how to find and understand the right information. This program will teach you how to identify chemical hazards, read SDS and GHS labels, and take the proper steps to stay safe when handling dangerous substances. Chemicals are incredibly useful, but can pose serious health and safety risks if not handled properly. These risks include acute and chronic health effects, fire hazards, sudden pressure releases, and reactive properties. In this training, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of chemicals and how to access information about their hazards. We will cover the Hazard Communication Standard, HCS, which ensures your safety by guiding how hazardous chemicals are managed in the workplace. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA's Hazard Communication Standard, requires your employer to inform you about the chemicals used in your workplace. Often referred to simply as HAZCOM, this standard ensures that you are aware of each chemical's hazards and how to protect yourself from potential dangers.